fx is equal to 2x cubed minus 3ax squared plus bx plus 8a, where a and b are constants. So given that x minus 4 is a factor of fx, we need to use the factor theorem to show that 10a equals 32 plus b, and given also that x minus 2 is a factor of fx, we express fx in terms of 2x plus k times x minus 4 times x minus 2, where k is a constant to be found. So here, to find a and b using the factor theorem, the first thing is that if x minus 4 was a factor, then f4 would be 0. If we are to replace x with 4, we should get 0. So if x minus 4 is a factor, then f4 is 0, and f4 would be 2 times 4 cubed minus 3a times 4 square plus 4b plus 8a, and that would give you, simplifying, 40a is equal to 128 plus 4b. Then you divide both sides by 4, you get 10a equals 32 plus b, which is what we have been asked to show. So we have found that. So that's part A. Now for the part B, they're saying that x minus 2 is also a factor. So if x minus 2 is a factor, then f2 should be 0. And then if we replace x by 2 in the equation, then we get 4a equals 16 plus 2b. And then if we divide both sides by 2, we get 2a equals 8 plus b. So we now have two equations. 2a is 8 plus b and 10a is 32 plus b. So solving simultaneously, you get a is 3. And then if you put a is 3 in this equation, you would get b is minus 2. So we now know a is 3, b is minus 2. So we can write out the entire equation fx, replacing a and b by 3 and minus 2. So we get fx is 2x cubed minus 9x squared minus 2x plus 24. Now for this equation, the product of x minus 2 and x minus 4 would be a factor. So we can divide this equation fx by the product of x minus 2 and x minus 4 to get the third factor, because x is power 3 roots, third factor, or third root, if I should say that. So yeah, I just explained it. So then, if I just multiply it out, you get x squared minus 6x, so minus 4x minus 2x is minus 6x plus 8 is a factor of fx. So I would do an algebraic division. So 2x cubed minus 9x squared minus 2x plus 24, and divided by x squared minus 6x plus 8. So you would get, if you look at the first term, 2x cubed. So to get 2x cubed, I would multiply 2x with x squared. And then I get 2x cubed minus 2x times minus 6x, that's minus 12x squared, and then 2x times 8, that is 16x. So subtracting, I would get 3x squared minus 18x. I bring down the 24, and then I am going to write here plus 3, and that's what I get, 3x squared minus 18x plus 24. If you multiply 3 with this term, so the remainder is 0, meaning 2x plus 3 is a factor. So we found out the three factors. They are 2x plus 3, x minus 4, and x minus 2 were given to us. So the other factor is 2x plus 3, which means that k is equal to 3. And that's the answer.